Using rounding to estimate money. Discover. So you've got Toshi and Jen, and Toshi says, let's try to work out an estimate for the total cost of what we need. And Jen replies, I have rounded the price of the eggs. They cost about £1.70. So your questions are 1A, round each item in the trolley to the nearest pound to estimate the total cost. And B, what do you think Jen has rounded the price of eggs to the nearest? What is the most the eggs could cost? What is the least they could cost? So think about what we did yesterday about rounding money and have a go. So let's share our answers. Question 1A. Okay, we can see they've made a table here and we've got the price of each item. 89 pence. We put on our number line and we round it to the nearest pound, rounds up to £1. £1.19. We put that on our number line, we can see that it rounds down to £1. £1.45, almost in the middle of our number line, near to £1.50, just below. So we round that down to £1. £2.10, that rounds down to £2. And £3.98 is very nearly £4. So we just round that up to £4. So now we can estimate the total cost. £1 plus £1 plus £1 plus £2 plus £4 is £9. So we've added together all the rounded amounts. Question 1B. The most the eggs could have cost was £1.74, because £1.74 we would round down to £1.70. If it had been £1.75, ending in that 5, okay, we would round up to £1.80. The least amount it could have cost is £1.65, because as we've just said, that 5, £1.65 we round up to the next 10, which is £1.70. £1.64 would have rounded down. So these are all the amounts that would have rounded to £1.70. Think together. Estimate how much more a box of cereal costs than a loaf of bread. Okay, let's look at our answer. So we're going to estimate how much more a box of cereal costs than a loaf of bread. Well, £1.45 is going to go between £1 and £2, and we've got this £1.50 in the middle. So £1.45 is going to go just below that £1.50. So it's going to round to £1.50 if we're rounding to the nearest 10 pence. £3.98 is just underneath £4, just below £4. So that is going to round to £4 if we round it to the nearest 10 pence. So we've got £1.50 and we've got £4. £1.50 to £2, that's plus 50 pence. Plus another 50 pence, that's £1. £1.50, £2, £2.50. So estimating and rounding our answer, we know the cereal cost is about £2.50 more than the loaf of bread. Question 2. Here are some more items Toshi and Jen want to buy. So question A says, round each item to the nearest £1 to estimate the total cost. Question 2B says, is your answer a good estimate? Okay, so have a good think about that yourself if you can't chat to somebody. And question 2C, do you think your answer is an overestimate or an underestimate? Okay, and why? Okay, so let's have a look at how we might answer this. If we look at £2.35 and we put that on our number line, you can see here's our number line. Rounding to the nearest £1 would be £1, £2, £3. We've got our 50 pences in the middle, so £1.50, £2, £2.50, £3, £3.50. So £2.35 would go around about here on our number line. Okay, and you can see that we would round that down to £2. Now, if we put £3.18 on our number line, where do you think that would go? Yeah, it would go just about there, just over the £3 and under the £3.50 mark. And that would round down, as you can see, down to £3. And finally, £2.49, where would that go on our number line? Yeah, just under the £2.50. And because it's less than halfway, we would round down. So once again, that would round down to £2. So let's have a look at question B. So we've rounded our numbers to £2, £3 and £2. So we need to add them together to see how much we think those three items would cost altogether. So once we've added them together, we've got £7. Now, is that a good estimate? Well, let's see what would happen if we added up the correct total. So £2.35, add £3.18, add £2.49. If we add that together, it's £8.02. So our estimate is over £1 less than the actual cost. So we've underestimated the cost by around about £1. And why do we think that happened? Well, actually, the reason was that we rounded each amount down. We rounded £2.35 down to £2. We rounded £3.18 down to £3, and we rounded £2.49 down to £2. So because we rounded every amount down, our estimated answer was an underestimate of the actual cost. And if you finished all the work in your book, here's the challenge question, and remember, the answers are at the end.